You know, we talked about Uber quite a bit when it comes to the shaving. Yeah. What about Lyft?
Yeah. Same shit. Okay, I've been getting a lot of these, a lot of requests to put these up. Look, I put one up. I personally like Lyft scheduled trips because I live in the suburbs. It gets me to the LAX. It gets me to the city where the hot zone is every morning. So the day before, or a couple days before, I'll go to scheduled trips, pick one up that's going to take me to LAX. Look, the pay is not great, but buck a mile, buck and a quarter a mile. On most of these trips, you're going to get tipped, especially if you're taking them early morning LAX runs. I'm talking my own city now or whatever you are. So scheduled trips I like on Lyft because it gets me to where I need to go and get paid. However, I've been getting tons of emails about this. From what I knew, I guess I don't know anymore, which was, Chris, is that even upfront, they will show you the fare, but it will convert to, even under upfront fares, it would have converted to miles and minutes on scheduled trips. Obviously, that's not happening now. I've gotten so many screenshots, but this is the one I put up because it had a happy ending. There you go. Okay. So this is this is when you reserve off the Lyft map where you click reserve, you take that trip. Lyft is showing you $27 for that trip. It's 37 minutes for 22 miles. All right, great. Okay. So the next morning, when it says, you're Lyft with this passenger, when they send you the actual ping, now it says $22.19. I'm going like, there goes more shaving. That's like $5 difference. And if you guys pay attention to the pickup and drop off, it's the same thing. It's the same time, same duration. Nothing changed. So wow, you're like showing me the right hook and then you're hitting me with the left uppercut. What's going on here? One says 27, the other one says 22.19. Why? Why doesn't it say 27? Or if you think I'm not going to pick this trip up, you're highballing me on the scheduled trip screen, but you're lowballing me when the actual offer comes in. That's a pisser, Lyft. Don't do that. That's bullshit. And then at the end of the day, again, poor driver, with this Lyft chat bots this time, they go back and forth. And finally, Lyft gives up and gives the guy $4.37 because the scheduled trip contract, or it's an original contract, I'm accepting it, $27. Otherwise, maybe this guy wouldn't have picked it as a scheduled trip. You know what I mean? Because it's the same. Look at the mileage, Chris.
Yeah.
In fact, the actual trip was 7 minutes shorter. So and the mileage was exactly the same, 22.3 to 22.3. So for 7 minutes, Lyft cuts it down $5. Hello. So how about we're going to talk about the next segment, which is going to be going into the next one. Well, if we go over an hour, you're not paying us for time. But if the trip goes shorter, you're cutting us? No, we're watching. It's okay. But at least this driver got their money, $4.37.
Yeah, but did you add the 22.19 and the 4.37?
Of course.
What does it come to?
It comes to close to 27, buddy.
It comes close, but it does not come to 27 exactly.
Of course not. Yeah.
So even right there, they're shaving you, and that's where the dimes are coming in. Before it was almost $5. Now it's dimes that they're shaving off. So yeah, Lyft is doing it too. So Lyft, trust me, we're watching and we're paying attention, and we're gonna find out anything more we need to find out. So
I have so many of these, by the way. This was one of the most popular on the 4th of July week. The email popularity I get, I get a lot of these. I go, this must be a popular story.
Yeah, I've seen the scheduled trip and then the actual trip be off, but not by that much. I've only seen it maybe by like $1 at the most, $1.10. Most of the time it's like 80 cents, which is still 80 cents. I mean, think about it. 80 cents over how many rides? Like that's going to add up.
Obviously Lyft is not as big as Uber, but hey, they do quite a bit of their share. They're 25% of the market in most cities. So hey, Chris, this is not what it's supposed to be for a simple business of picking up point A, dropping off point B.
Oh, they have to try to gamify anything they can.
Oh my God, man. This is not that complicated, people. I mean, seriously. You guys could save so much money if you fired all those coders, put $1.50 a mile and 60 cents a minute, or 50 cents a minute, whatever, up different for each city. We pick up, we drop off, we happy, we driving. None of this, and show me the money wouldn't exist. So if you guys want to shut us up, there's nothing to bitch about. Well, you just fix it all, and then we'll be gone. Have a nice day.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.